everyone, today we're gonna make milkshake Oreo.
Alright, what you need to do now?
Put the ice in.
Put the ice in. And what else?
Put the sugar in.
Sugar, 1 spoon of sugar. Yes, and what else?
Put Oreo.
5 Oreo. But you need to squeeze it first. Make sure on the top of the blender. So make sure you not get mess. Put in here. Yeah, break it. Break.
I can't break
With your
it.
2 hands. Yes, put it down. All of them do the same thing.
Done 2. I done
3.
I done 4.
4.
I done
5.
Now
And 300 ml of full cream milk. All of them. And what else you need to put? The sugar ready, yeah?
Yeah.
And what you need to do is put the ice cream
in.
Yes. Can you do that? 3 spoons.
Wait, is 2?
3 or 4 spoons, sorry. Can you reach it? You need help?
No.
Hang on. Make sure you not knock the plate. Yes, well done.
2.
Get closer.
I done 1. 1, 2, 3.
It's hard, isn't it?
No.
One more. Can you get more bigger, please?
Okay. Wait, look, I don't want to knock this over.
Well done. Put all of them.
All there?
Yes.
All the ice.
Alright, now just okay. Close the lid. Close the with that one. Yes. The lid, all of them.
Okay.
Close the blender. Okay, close the ice cream. Put the lid on. Close. Put the lid on. Well done.
I can't close it.
See, you can.
Now
Put on the top. No, put this on the top first. Can you carry it?
which one?
Carry this. Right, Mama, do it.
Yeah,
Yes.
I can.
Careful. Next.
Which
Okay.
one? This one?
Number 2.
Okay.
Alright. Get some glass. 2 glass. One for you, one for me.
Okay, one for you. One for you.
That's too small. You just want the small one. Get a little bit big. Not so big, but.
I don't know which one is.
Alright, just use this one, okay? This is new. Put next to them. Oh, turn it off. Well done. Let Mama pour it in a glass, okay?
Yeah.
Because I don't want you to drop it. And one thing after ini kita taruh di gelas, ini Oreo 1 biji.
You need another.
Kita put on the later. We need to put the
get in your hand and put this Oreo on top.
Yes, you're right. Alright, let Mama pour the milkshake first. Okay, we pour in the glass.
One for you.
Okay.
And one for me.
Oops. Okay. Now
The sprinkles.
put the cookie crust. No, Oreo. I mean closer so you don't make mess on the top. More.
In yours.
Yes, please.
Tell me when to stop.
Yes, now it's you.
Tell me when to stop.
Yes. More. Oh, look at that, so yum. Okay, this well done. The milkshake Oreo made by Lexi. What are you licking?
Oreo.
All right. Our milkshake's done. Cheers. We try. How is it?
Good.
So good, isn't it? Oh, it's so yum. I love it. So, bagi kalian yang mau coba, simple banget. Jangan lupa di-tag nama saya. Bye-bye. Say goodbye.
Bye bye, Mom the best.